If you've just picked up the Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones, you might notice that folding them and placing them correctly into the case isn't as obvious as it looks. Unlike some headphones that fold in a very straightforward way, these are designed with a specific hinge movement that needs to be aligned properly before they fit inside the case. Trying to force them the wrong way can feel awkward and might even make you worry about damaging the hinges. The key is understanding the natural folding direction and how the ear cups are meant to rotate. Once you get the hang of it, the process becomes smooth and quick, and your headphones will sit perfectly in the case every time without any pressure or misalignment. Try these. Step 1. Hold your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones with both ear cups facing inward. Step 2. Gently rotate the ear cups so they lay flat and align with the headband. Step 3. Fold the hinges inward so the headphones become compact. Step 4. Match the folded shape with the outline inside the carrying case. Step 5. Place the headphones into the case without forcing them. Step 6. Close the case securely to keep them protected.